Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about how to create a React image slider in React. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let me open any of the React project. So we are going to open the React project and let's open any of my React project. So here let's try to use this one project. Okay, so here we go with the open with terminal. Okay, so I think previous one terminal is someone else. Close this. Okay, so here we go with the back. Right, so let's open the code. So here we will open the app.js file, the main file. So here we go with the app.js. Okay, let's comment this one and let's add our code for the React image gallery. Okay, so here we go with this one. Just copy paste this code. This is simple one code. You can see that, right? So just copy and just I'm going to add it over here. Right, done. So here what we require to install, that is we have to use React image gallery. So let's install this package. So npm I. So here we go with npm I to this. Okay, here we go with this one. This is done. Let's run npm run start and let's see the magic. Here you can see with the proper slider over here, and you can see with the thumbnails also, right? And if I go with this one, you can also zoom this one also. You can also play the sliders like this also, so it automatically plays the next slide. Okay, here you can see that, right? So this is how it will make. So let's dive into the code level, which package I'm using, that is React image gallery. Okay, this is we have to create an object, whether you want to go with adding the description or something or the caption, you can create a new variable and use it. Okay, this is the image original thumbnail, so we have to give in the array of objects like this. In the image gallery you need to pass items and the images object. Okay, that's it. This will create you the gallery in a just 5 minutes. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.